Greetings, friends. As always, it's an extremely high honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is one of those Hubbuster type tools. The reason I say it's a Hubbuster type tool is it's not actually a Hubbuster, it's a facsimile. But they all work about the same. This one I bought on Amazon. It was about half the cost of an actual Hubbuster. The reason for this video is I wanted to pass along a very important tip for using one of these Hubbuster type tools. If you don't do what I'm about to show you, you'll have a very difficult time trying to remove the hub. What I'm about to show you is a clip from a video I posted a few weeks ago on replacing the hub on a Ram pickup. Now, you may not be interested in seeing that entire video, but I thought you might be interested in how to effectively use one of these Hubbusters. I've got it bolted on with heavy washers. You can see I've got a solid block underneath the control arm. The reason for that, if you don't do that, the spring is going to absorb the impact and you're not going to be able to get the hub off. And also I've got a heavy sledgehammer and I've got my safety glasses. So let's have at it and see what happens. I'll move the camera out a little bit. Okay, that's already separating. Just give it a couple more good whacks and we should have it out. Easy enough. Okay. It's a great tool, those Hubbusters. So as you just witnessed, friends, by using a solid block of wood to support the lower control arm, there was absolutely no movement by the knuckle assembly as I tried to blast that hub out of there. And as you can see, it came off quite easily. Now, had I not supported the control arm, the spring would have absorbed all the impact and I would have been a month of Sundays trying to knock that hub out of there. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I will post two videos to your left, one of which will be that video in its entirety where I replace the hub on that Ram pickup, and the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.